that Minnie loves so much. Well, any straw. Gotta get her really entertained with the straw. Okay, sorry, it's a little shaky. Come on, Minnie. Alright, go get it. Okay, so I threw it up on my table. There she goes. Here she goes. Give me that straw, Minnie. Give it to me. Thank you. Alright, we gonna do it again? We gonna do it again? We gotta do this 3 times because Mommy wants pizza. Okay? Ready? Go get it. Okay, I threw it on the table again. She's got it. She's coming back. And look, she drops it. Okay, Minnie. 3rd time. Gets Mama pizza. Come on. Come on. Go get it. Okay, back on the table. She's going to take that option. And she's up, and she drops it.